How to blur video background in CapCut PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to blur video background in CapCut on PC, open CapCut first. You can easily download CapCut from the App Store. Once the application is open, tap on New Project and import the video you want to blur background of. Now drag the video to the timeline firstly to make the further edits. Now on the top toolbar, you will see the option for effect. Tap on that and then tap on trending and find a blur effect and add it to the video. Once you are done adding the blur effect, export the video to your device and now open a new project again and import the video we just saved. Tap on import again and import the original video and drag it to layer 2 of the timeline. Now tap on the original video and then tap on video from the top right of the screen. You will see the option for cutout. Tap on that and go ahead and tap on auto cutout checkbox. Make sure that only human figure can be cut out, and this is how you can blur video background in CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.